Solar energy is a kind of clean and safe energy. Efficiently taking advantage of solar panels will effectively adjust the energy structure and realize energy conservation and emission reduction. TechWise Solar Technology Company Limited is a company specialized in providing solutions of solar power generation by efficiently utilizing solar energy. We are a new energy solution provider integrating researching, producing, marketing, constructing, operating, and maintaining. We have multiple new intelligent production lines that can realize fully automatic production, like lossless laser cutting, millimeter level track soldering, automatic typesetting, intelligent equipment testing, etc. With annual production capacity of 1 gigawatt, our current production lines cover production of solar panels, including cell sizes of 157, 158, 166, 182, and 210 millimeters. We have realized the production of PERC, TOPCon, and bifacial glass panels. We can also provide customized service. TechWise Solar not only produces high-quality solar panels, but also provides products like inverters, batteries, brackets, cables, and service like solar power station construction, etc., which are widely used in ground photovoltaic power station and a commercial residential distributed system at home and abroad. Adhering to the concept of confidence comes from quality assurance. TechWise Solar strictly control the production procedure to assure the product quality. We have achieved certificates like TÜV, CE, ISO, CGC, etc. We carefully select raw materials and suppliers, strictly obeying the product quality standard. By virtue of excellent product quality, continuous technology innovation, and professional service, TechWise Solar has been approved by both domestic and overseas customers. We have been keeping long-term cooperation with Tier 1 brands universally, providing professional ODM/OEM service, and one good reputation in the solar industry. In the future, TechWise Solar will keep on focusing on production quality, find out the demands of worldwide customers, provide more convenient service, including setting international market offices, building overseas warehouse, developing multi-scenario power station, and so on. TechWise Solar will adhere to our original aspiration, as always, build a solar world with technology and wisdom.